loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog we are going abaya shopping, as you can see from the title. Right now we are on our way to KOUZINS. The sun is really out today. We're gonna be hitting up a few places. I actually have a list of places. Let me walk you guys through. So we're gonna go to Dira, KOUZINS, then we're gonna go to Dira, Nafi ABAYA mall. I heard some really good, reviews on that on TikTok as well. So hopefully we found some good, affordable abayas, because the last one I need to be spending London prices on abayas in Dubai. Like I don't want to do that. And then we're gonna go to Ajman. We're gonna go to the VIP abaya store. We're also gonna hit up forgive me if I butcher this, Al Waha Center. Then if we have time, we're gonna go to Charger, maybe the other way around, and hit up the Al Shab Village Mall. So I got a couple of places. I do have a place in Abu Dhabi as well that I want to see. Well, we're going to Abu Dhabi tomorrow for Jummah prayer, so there's no need for us to go there today. So we'll just hit that up when we go there tomorrow. And I actually do need an abaya for tomorrow, because I purposely didn't bring any abayas on this trip, because I know that I'll be buying a lot of abayas, so there was no point of me bringing abayas to the trip. So come abaya shopping with me. Hopefully we find some really cute ones, really the ones that are on trend as well. I actually just need some good abayas. We're back in London, and I also got a trip coming up soon as well, so I'm gonna need some abayas for that as well. So sorry if the lighting keeps getting in and out. The sun is sunning today. It's really out to play for the girls, and we love that. The time's currently 2:21. Let's see how long we stay in Dura for. The problem is that you can stay in Dura for a really long time. Time goes by so quick, but today I need to make sure that I give an hour and a half, because obviously Charger is about 30 minutes away and Ajman's about 20 minutes away, I think. If I'm looking a bit shiny, it's because I've got a lot of cream and SPF on, so don't watch that, okay? And I also really wish that I brought my tripod, because holding this camera it's a lot. I can't like, my hands be hurting, but anything for the content. Good. Up. It's like a nice simple black abaya. How many if I buy, how many you give me discount?
How many pieces you buy?
Yeah.
100 pieces, 50 pieces.
Good one.
Okay, then inshallah. Coming other material.
Which one? Yeah? Are you sure I can step in? You're not gonna break my heart. No, this one. This.
That one?
Yeah. Up there 50?
Yeah.
Okay.
You come in first time my shop.
Down here 60. Up there 50.
Yeah.
And this also 60 dirham. And this also
Ooh. This one's 60.
50 dirham.
This one.
This is 60 and this is 50.
What do you think about this? This is nice.
But now, you know, you use me to get it out.
This one?
I think I like the blue one better. You want to try?
Let's try this one. I like the blue better. I ain't gonna lie, everyone talks about LA traffic, London traffic, and Nigerian traffic. Nobody talks about Dubai traffic. Dubai traffic is crazy. So cousins, your girl's looking a little bit jagged right now, but you guys know, if you're shopping, you have to come ready, you have to come prepared, okay? We're literally just leaving Dira right now. We're on our way currently to Al Shab village in Sharjah. And we spent so much time in Dira, and I knew that was gonna happen. I just knew that was gonna happen. The traffic right now is brutal. Before we left the hotel to Sharjah was like 30-40 minutes. Now it's an hour and 6 minutes. Luckily they're open till late, so we're good. As you guys saw from the little montage, there is a lot of ABAYA stores here. You just need to go with whichever one you want. Go with whichever store you feel comfortable with, and don't be overwhelmed, because a lot of people come and say, come to my shop, come to my shop, come to my shop. Kind of feel obligated to go, but you're not. All you have to do is say no thank you, and they'll literally leave you alone. Like, they're not like aggressive, they're not, you know, very like ha ha ha. It's just like, come, you don't want to come? Okay, fine. They will even tell you like, look, it's free. The moment you tell them no, they'll leave you alone, you know? Like, no is no, and that's it. Oh wow, they have a little arcade here. We're here. Time to go ABAYA shopping part 2. Oh my god, it's like ABAYA heaven indeed. Like, there's so much ABAYAs. It's like not, oh my god, there's more. Oh my goodness. I'm about to have a field day. Hiya.
Hello.
Hiya. Oh my god, there's so many.
Hello.
Look at the details of this. The quality is really good. They've got like really good quality.
What is it?
Hagu.
100 dirhams only, not
100 dirhams.
95.
95?
Oh, okay. 90.
No, 95. Why are you saying 95? It's the same.
My name is Tayyub Abu
Tayyub,
Hafsa.
mashallah.
The name is Abu Hafsa.
MashaAllah. Your name, brother?
It's Muhammad Shafiq. Come to for a special abaya, we provide also. But it's not in the showroom. It's a specialty to WhatsApp or personal email.
So if you want custom made, you can make it. These are all custom made. So this is someone's order. Oh, this is nice. And the quality is actually really good.
This is my number.
Your number there. Hey. Oh, this is really cute. Guys, I know it's black, but black abayas, you can never go wrong with black, okay? Look at the details on this. Oh, look at the details on this hand. Oh, this is cute. Wait, the only thing is that I'm thinking, oh, my headscarf will cover it. Does it have it because it's covering my headscarf? Yeah? Like that. Oh my god, they have everything here. We've got headscarf galore. These ones? Guys, I am so tired. We've been shopping non-stop all day. We are still currently in Sharjah. The mall actually has everything. There's an ice cream right in front of me, but there's kids here, so I don't want to show them. There's food courts right here. There's also like a ABAYA shop upstairs, which you guys already saw. And there's so many shops here. I managed to pick up 2 abayas, which is good because I was able to pick up my abaya I'm gonna wear for tomorrow to go to Abu Dhabi with. And I feel like I've also picked up my Eid abaya, well, a potential Eid abaya. We're not gonna get food anymore because it's only 34 minutes to home. Do you want to take this? I ain't gonna lie to you guys, this place was a little bit disappointing. I couldn't find any abayas, and plus the prices here was so much more than the ones in Dubai, and I was like, what? They do have some cute designs, however, it just wasn't worth it. Like, right now we're heading back to Dubai, and then tomorrow we're gonna go back to Dera, and we're also going to Ajman tomorrow, inshallah. So yeah, like Abu Dhabi, I'm a little bit disappointed, but I'm pretty sure that there's like other abaya stores that I am not aware of. It can't just be this one. But the design was, like I said, the design was cute, but just not for me, not for the price anyway. And I could haggle it down, but even with haggling as well, I just, no, it wasn't given. So personally for me, well, actually no, let me go to all cities first. Let me go to Ajman, and then we'll do like a little review of where to get the best abayas. But so far Dera's winning so far, but quality wise Sharjah's winning, because I'm in love with this abaya. This black abaya that I've got right here, I'm finna wear it all the time. I just love being in a Muslim country because there's literally a mosque everywhere. Alhamdulillah. Good morning, my loves. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to Ajman, to the Al-Waha center to go see some abayas. You guys know that yesterday Abu Dhabi was a little bit of a flop in terms of abaya shopping wise, but hopefully we have a better luck today at Ajman. There's 2 stores that I want to go to, and they're like 11 minutes away from each other. One is the VIP abaya shop center, and the second is Al-Waha shopping center. So hopefully we find some good pieces. I'm not really looking for anything in particular. I just want to see like the price range of it, the quality of it, and like something that I really nice. My style is I like something that's like flowy. I don't like straight legs because I have a straight body. So I need something like at the bottom to like a little bit flare to give me a little bit of shape.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Let's go.
Just my friend.
I like the quality of this one. What do you think? Alright guys, so we just finished at ABAYA shopping center, and I'm not gonna lie, the prices here are so good. They are really good. Super affordable, more affordable than any other places I've been to so far. This is like the most cheapest place I've found. The only thing is that the designs of them are quite limited. You won't find like Instagram babes abayas up here. You're more likely to find, you know, your everyday wear, your cute date night, but you're not taking pictures type of vibe. This is some scarf because they have some really good scarves. But again, the scarves as well are super affordable. Basically, the price that you pay, you see the quality of the price that you pay here. We're gonna go to the VIP ABAYA in HIGEND as well, just to see the vibes up there as well. We are planning on going back to Nafi and Dera because those are the two places that we find that the prices are good, the ABAYA quality is good for a reasonable price. Everyone's staring at me. Sorry guys. Yes, sister.